wonder what do me, what do me. Make me so sad. I'm in a shit in a church. Me not shit in a church.
I want to know who make you rum. I want to find the man who make you rum. Because when I find that it's somebody who make you rum, I must go get account of everything what they go on down here right now. Everything what they go on, I want to know who make you rum. Because in a big trouble. In a big trouble. Yeah, kind of. And if bam up. Yeah. I want to know who make you rum. I want to find the man who make you rum. Because when I find that it's somebody who make you rum, I must go get account of everything what they go on down here right now. Everything what they go on, I want to know who make you rum. Because in a big trouble. In a big trouble. Yeah, come on. Go for me, hey. Oh, my big arm, go for me now. Oh, no, go for me. I want to know who make you rum. I want to find the man who make you rum. Because when I find that it's somebody who make you rum, I must go get account of everything what they go on down here right now. Everything what they go on, I want to know who make you rum. Because in a big trouble. In a big trouble. Yeah.
I ain't never been humiliated and embarrassed like that in my whole entire life. Thanks to you.
Thanks to me?
Yeah, thanks to you.
May I tell you, say, you see the man who make you rum, listen, me they try look for you, me can't find you. Me know you feel like me go do harm to you, but listen, me not do no harm to you. Me want big you up. You see me I say, because me not tell no lie. You see, whenever me drink the rum, I feel so good. So much vibes, so much fun. I want to lick off your fist and me and you drink a bottle together and have enough fun with a group of girls. So listen to me, just stop hide and come out, make we have some fun. Please, Bambas is saying it. Me not going to do no harm to you. I mean, the people have not going to do you nothing. Okay? Yeah.
Hey.
Hey, woo.
Hey.
Okay.
Hey.
Heavyweight, you make good for.
Ready now, man.
No man, mama, me access it. For real, you can't cook. Listen, me find one little rat and leave the little rat on my yard and say, me I gotta walk, cook little soup and sit until me come, cause everything in there. This when me reach one and me open the pot, see dumpling them, man.
God
I saw you dumpling them and look at me like them cripple. Me say, no sir, something alright. See chicken foot, like a stiff jacket they have on with that nails funny like the acrylic run out. I said, what do you... This not look safe at all. I said, no, mama, man, you have to left. A KFC used to, man. Stay a KFC. Stay a KFC, man. Me say all cabbage in a soup, no sir. All cabbage, me say, in a soup.
Yo, bossy. How much more them find Santa? Look at how them find Santa. Alright, you can't follow me. You can't follow me. You can't follow me, go down there. Yeah, man. How much more you go? Alright, forward me drop in a square. Forward me drop in a square. Yeah, forward. Bossy. Look at it. Look at it, bossy. Pull over. Come here there. Bossy, go.